Hello everyone! Welcome to another episode of Marilen Styles. We are here to talk about the children's bedroom. This room is their their bedroom / playroom. And so they have this bunk bed which they had even when we were in Hong Kong, and Santiago sleeps on top and Sabie stays at the bottom. I wanted everything to be light wood and white so that it is modern and bright. I have like their working table here. On this table is their bookshelf, so all the bedtime stories, pocketbooks are on that table right there. What? Okay, and these are their toys. Sabie has her really cute dollhouses here, and I got these dollhouses from IKEA, and the furniture is from a separate company that I also bought in Hong Kong. These boxes are their other toys. To fix the toys according to the kind of toy. Like this box is all for dolls and Barbies.
And this, how many are unicorns?
And then maybe another box is Santiago's box, and it's all his robots in here. Just to be more organized. And they know that after they bring one box out, they have to pack away before they bring out another. Okay, so Santiago wanted to put the tent on his bunk bed. And it's also from IKEA. If you take it out, it kind of looks bare. And just to make things look a little bit more cozy for him when he's lying down, we decided to put the tent on the bunk bed so that it's more cozy.
So here's an intro of my toy, which is the dollhouse, and a few more dolls in here. Here, the toilet room. I think we should move on now. Here's the toilet, and here's the bedroom of the mom, the master bedroom. Here's the toilet of the kids, and the bedroom of the kids, with the kitchen and the dining room. And there's this. Pull that out, and you can put something there, and then you close it. Fine. It's just a little bottle of Pez candy, but I finished all the candy. I thought I would use it as a decoration in the playroom. So this kind of Rubik's Cube, but it's not a Rubik's Cube. So it's kind of challenging. You have to try to make something out of it, but in real life. And here are all the dolls. I named her Isabel, and this one's Gabby. And here's the Yaya. And here's the little girl. There's some small rubber duckies because that's the kids' bathtub. And there's also some clothes here for them. There's some yellow and orange with one bow and two hearts. They're just hanging around. Thank you for watching the intro of our toy. Goodbye, and watch some more videos and like and subscribe to Marilen Styles. Goodbye, everyone.